In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms on Fresha, a process that can be done in about 5 minutes. Adding forms can be an incredibly useful way to gather important information from your clients, whether it's for client intake, consent, or any other needs you might have. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Fresha website. If you're new to Fresha, it's a platform widely used for managing appointments, so you'll need to visit their site to begin. Next, you'll need to log in. Use your existing Fresha account details to sign in. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll want to set one up to take full advantage of their features. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Fresha dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, where you can manage bookings, client information, and more. From here, the next step is to go to your booking profile settings. This section allows you to customize your booking page, and forms are a great addition to this customization. Now, it's time to design the form itself. You'll need a tool for this, and there are several excellent options available. Google Forms is a popular choice for its simplicity and integration capabilities. Alternatively, you can use platforms like JotForm or Fillout, each offering unique features tailored to specific needs. When designing your form, think about what information you want to collect. Is it basic client data, consent for a treatment, or perhaps some feedback? Use your chosen tool to create the form structure, ensuring it meets your specific requirements. Make sure to add relevant questions, fields, and requirements. This is crucial, as these elements will gather the information you need, so clarity is key. Consider using a mix of question types, like multiple choice for easier responses or open text for detailed feedback. Also, don't forget to mark any essential fields as required, so clients can't proceed without completing them. After finalizing your form, you'll need to obtain the direct link. Most form-building platforms provide an easy way to generate this URL, which is essential for sharing the form with your clients. The final step is to integrate this form into your Fresha profile. Take the direct link and add it to the description or the designated area within your booking profile settings. By doing this, your clients will easily access and complete the form whenever they visit your booking page. And there you have it. You've successfully added forms on Fresha, streamlining client interactions and enhancing your service offerings. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the key to a great form lies in clear, concise, and relevant questions tailored to your business needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.